Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. What's shaking? Oh wait, that's just me. Alright, I got myself a little challenge today. I'm going to try to open up these three locks all in one video. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, by the way, I got some good news. As far as my PD jar is concerned with the quarters, I'm up to 1050. Yeah! Alright, let's get these out of the way. Let's do some picking. Let's see, grab my 30Z wrench here. All right, pick number one. This is going to be especially challenging for me because it's getting late in the day for me, and my Parkinson's is kind of taking over my left arm a little bit. So a little added difficulty to the picking. I got to reset. There it is. All right. Wow. Okay. That's a quarter in the jar. That's 1 out of 3. Next. All right. Oh yeah. The oddball technique for this lock. Let me tell you something about Parkinson's, people. You do simple tasks every day, and you don't even realize how much you take it for granted. Like being able to feed yourself, or just simply get up and walk. Any simple task that you take for granted, don't. Because someday, it could be you. Just saying. Yep, there we go. Ha ha! That's 2. That's another quarter in the jar. No, this is for the piece de resistance. See if I can open this bad boy up. This lock proved quite challenging for me because there's not a lot of room to work with in there. Yesterday when I popped it for the first time, it took me almost a half an hour. The second time I did it probably took me maybe 7-8 minutes. Hopefully it won't take that long today. Oh yeah, hey, I'm up to 11 bucks. All right, $11 in the PD jar. April 11th, I'm coming for you, Michael J. Fox, with a nice fat donation. Oh yeah, the key. Let's look at the key. 1 is the longest pin. 3 and 4, 4 and 3 are the shortest. 2 is just a wee bit shorter than that, and 1 is the longest. Here's the bitting of this key. Maybe I get a better look at it there. I gotta figure, how does this information help you? Yeah, all right. Bam! Got it all on camera. 3 for 3, baby. And because of that, $1 going into the jar. 1 quarter, 2 quarter, 3 quarter, 4. Oh yeah, $12 to the PD jar for the Parkinson's Foundation Research. Excellent. I was successful popping these 3, one right after the other. Boy, that's a good feeling. Practice, practice, practice. Thanks for watching, everybody, and sticking around. I love you all very much. You're very supportive and welcoming. You people mean a lot to me. I don't think it's said enough how awesome the log picking community is, and maybe some might say that's quite a statement coming from me because I'm so new. But if you've seen and heard what I've seen and heard, the people are just really cool people. I really need this in my life right now. The support gives me the energy I need to continue no matter how bad I'm feeling. Today was a kind of a low day, but I pushed on. You people give me that energy I can feed off of and continue and fight. Thank you for sticking with me, and good night.